Quick reading for February the 25th to the 26th. Aries, your cards are the Strength card, Ace of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. So nakikita natin dito, talaga ipinaglalaban ngayon ni person, no, na kailangan maiparamdam niya sa iyo yung love, devotion, emotion, no? Yung time niya kasi parang it felt like napabayaan niya itong relationship nung mga nakaraang araw, linggo or buwan. It felt like ngayon niya ipaparamdam sa iyo na with the Queen of Cups, parang dapat iparamdam ko naman sa kanya na mahal talaga siya, no? Mahal ko talaga siya, na may value siya. Parang may bawi dito. I feel like siguro yayayain ka nitong mag-bar, no? Or this is more of a night out thing, no? It could be a date, a night date. It could be a tusok-tusok date, no? Pero gabi ito mangyayari. Chances are, with the Ace of Pentacles, parang i-devote niya yung time niya na parang more of mangangako ito na ito na yung gagawin natin parang every weekend, no? So this is your quick reading for February the 25th and the 26th, Aries.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.